In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Shopify product ID. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet with the internal product IDs you can use for bulk edits, app integrations, and troubleshooting with support. First, sign into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center and you'll land on the home dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand menu and click Products. This opens your full product catalog, including any variants you've created. At the top right of the products page, you'll see the Export button. Click that to open the export options. In the dialog that appears, choose All Products. This tells Shopify to include every product in your catalog in the export, which is the easiest way to capture every product ID in one file. If you have filters applied, keep in mind that exporting only the current page or selection would limit what you get, so All Products is the safest choice for a complete list. Next, choose your export format. You'll typically see options like CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs, and plain CSV file. Both contain the same data. The main difference is how certain characters are encoded. If you plan to open the file in Excel, Numbers, or Google Sheets, the first option is usually the most convenient. If you're importing the file into another tool or a script that expects strict CSV formatting, plain CSV can be a better fit. Once you've selected all products and your preferred format, click Export Products. For smaller catalogs, the file will download right away to your computer. For larger catalogs, Shopify may generate the file in the background and send you a download link by email. Either way, you'll end up with a CSV file containing your product data. Open the CSV in your spreadsheet program. Look for a column labeled ID or product ID. This is the internal product identifier you're after. You'll also likely see a variant ID column. Each variant has its own unique ID, while the product ID will be the same across all rows that belong to the same product. If your file contains many columns, try freezing the header row and using the search function to quickly locate ID. Sorting by title or handle can also make it easier to scan and cross-reference products. That's it, you've exported your Shopify product IDs and know exactly where to find them in the file. Save the CSV somewhere safe, and you're ready to use those IDs for bulk operations or integrations.